Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into one of the best stainless steel screw assortments on the market. The VIGRUE 510-piece stainless steel wood screws assortment kit. This kit is perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. It features a comprehensive selection of stainless steel screws, ranging from sizes number 4 to number 12 and lengths from 3/8 inch to 1 to 1 by 2 inches. Whether you're working with wood, metal, plastic, or aluminum, this assortment has you covered. Let's talk about what makes these screws stand out. They're crafted from high-quality 304 stainless steel, ensuring durability and resistance to corrosion, ideal for both indoor and outdoor projects. The Phillips panhead design and coarse thread type make them easy to drive into various materials, offering a secure hold with their self-tapping points. From basic household repairs to more complex woodworking or construction projects, these screws are versatile and reliable. Whether you're building furniture, fixing cabinets, or constructing outdoor structures, having a variety of sizes at your fingertips saves time and effort. Each screw in this kit features deep, clear thread indentations designed to resist loosening, even under prolonged vibration. This ensures your projects stay securely fastened over time, without the risk of back out. To sum it up, if you're looking for a dependable set of stainless steel screws that combine durability, versatility, and ease of use, the VIGRUE 510-piece stainless steel wood screws assortment kit is an excellent choice. It's no surprise that it's a top pick among professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Thank you for tuning in to today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product analyses. Stay tuned for our next episode where we'll review another exciting product. Until then, happy crafting and DIYing!